Hi, this is Justin Saliman to talk about root repair. I used the same portal to pass the sutures as I used to create the trough. And I found that the flip cutter guide works pretty well for coming across the joint that way, and then you can flip it and back drill a 6mm tunnel, and then use a fiber stick to pass the pull stitch, grab that with a crab claw, and put it aside for later use. Then I'll use a curette to scrape away some of the cartilage around the tunnel and posterior to it so that I'm sure to get a good bony bed to heal into. And then I use the NovoStitch Plus to pass both limbs in two different locations. So the first limb, in this case, I'm going to pass peripherally, and then the more central limb will be passed second, but without pulling the device out. So here's it comes the second limb. You could pass left to right, that would be fine too. Retract the jaw and pull out. And then I'm going to take the top two limbs that are going to be in the upper jaw, pull them out of the upper jaw, and place them in the loop form by the bottom two limbs, and then pull. And this gives a nice double locking loop stitch, which you're about to see right there. Then I like to pass two of these, one closer to the apex and one remote from the apex. So here's the peripheral pass. You don't need to see back there, you just need to know that you're around it. In this case, I'll retract the lower jaw, reposition, and then re-extend the lower jaw because of the it's a little bit tighter as you go towards the root there. And then I'll pass into the central part of the meniscus apex here, and then pull out. So there's two passes in two different locations. Then I'll pass again the top two through the bottom loop and pull, and this is what you end up with. Then these two strands are pulled down through the tunnel with the pull suture, and you get a nice reduction of the posterior horn and root region of your meniscus into the trough. Now in this case, I did put one more stitch. It's just an inverted mattress, pass bottom to top twice in two different locations. You end up with an inverted mattress just for extra strength. Thank you.